Weights on your left foot. We start with a cross weave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, recover together. Rock, recover. Out, out together. Cross, step back, weave, left, right, left, right. Jump, sweep with the cross quarter, back, half turn, shuffle on your left, pivot half, step sweeps, slow. And your jazz with the modified side, rock, recover, weave across. 1, 2, 3, cross shuffle, paddle, quarter turn, and the side, weaving forward, step, quarter, behind, quarter, shuffle and pivot, half turn, slow, hold, pivot half, and hold, pivot 3/4 turn, side hold, slow sailor step, stomp, hold, behind, step, end of dance, and we start again. Face the front, let's try it with a count. Weave across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is one restart with this dance. It happens on wall number 3 at count 32. We end up doing the 2 slow sweeps at our 9 o'clock direction. We cross, step with the modified jazz rock, and we're going to restart there. Now, if you happen to forget the restart, the good thing is you're doing a weave anyway. So, jazz box with a rock recover and weave across.